Hello, YouTube, fellow friends, followers, and subscribers. Good afternoon. Hope you guys are doing well in this kind of situation around the world. And as you can see, PARFUM de MARLY 125 ml. This for me one of the best. I think if you put me in the top 5 niche tobacco fragrance, this is my number 3. So this is one of the greatest without any introduction at all. All the fragrance community, the hardcore collector news about this. So watch out my full review of this. Again, I never buying this. I will have a decan, and this is my first ever bottle of the hero, the PARFUM de MARLY. This is very long lasting. This is another gourmand, you know, very hardcore tobacco vanilla and cinnamon combo. This is one is to die for. Watch out my full review on this hero of PARFUM de MARLY. Have this too inside, but I never have the Citizen Jack because it's not included in my haul, because I'm not interested in that yet. Maybe sooner I will buy and purchase those 3, and I will do a video which one is my favorite in this new house. Guys, this is not a clone house, but I will tell you later. Guys, this is from America. This MALUL London is made in USA. The house is from America. A very good house, a very long lasting. This is also a gourmand, tobacco, cinnamon, mimosa, and then on with a background of leather. Very long lasting, a pipe tobacco base. I really like it. That's what's included in my haul. And watch out for my video on this new house, first ever in YouTube. Even you search it, you can never find this MALUL house. Never talk, but like it's been there for almost 6 to 10 months already, but never talk about. But first I introduce this to you. Watch out for my full review and unboxing review of this MALUL tobacco, pipe tobacco, cinnamon, mimosa, and this black leather combo. This is, you know, the price range is $75, a very good price for a niche, and a very premium juice, guys. Made in USA, MALUL. Watch this out. My second is still in the house. Very interesting. This is Visionaire. Again, another fragrance for the new house release. This is from MALUL London, made in USA, released in 2019. The same with this jet black and the citizen black. This is Visionaire, and a very interesting. I was really blown away when I squeezed about this product. When I squeezed on my first snip, I was blown away. I was like, what? Very same familiar with Green Iris Tweed, and I went to their website. Very identical. The note is Green Iris Tweed, and they said they are not a clone house. I was intrigued, and I said, oh, can I have 6 squeeze, my normal 1 2 1 2 and behind on it too. And I studied the whole day. and I asked a sample. Man, Celebs is 3 hours, longevity 10 hours. That's why it's in my haul. A very good discovery, Visionaire. Alternative, or maybe I don't want to say it's clone, because I'm sorry, they are not a clone house. They told me specifically, even the guys that introduced this, we are not a clone house. So it's safe enough to say, same with Green Iris Tweed. The notes is there: lemon vanetta, violet leaf, and sandalwood. The opening and the dry down is really identical. So watch out for my full video on this. Visionaire by all about it. This is look like legit to me, so don't worry guys. If you have any comments about a plastic thing, please list down my comment below. And yeah, that is for me, looks like legit for me. So guys, if you don't like what you see, and if you think that is a fake or not, put your comment down below and let's see. But for me, as far as I see, all legit, it's just jet black.